I'm here at the Arizona State Museum, standing in one of the 3 Native American exhibits here. And this actually took years and a lot of money to curate. And I spoke with the director of the museum, who says that there are actually a lot of rules that you have to follow, and those rules just got updated. In 1990, the Native American Graves Protection and Repatriation Act, or NAGPRA, was passed.
And as opposed to prior in NAGPRA, the idea was that museums were responsible for reporting what they had in their collections under their care, or federal agencies.
The law decides how Native American artifacts and remains should be treated.
And consultation with tribal communities would happen at the end of a long process, a multi-year process in many cases, and that led to a lot of cases of non-compliance with NAGPRA, with the federal law.
So this year, an update to that law went into effect.
Now the new regulations require consultation with tribal communities in advance.
Now there's more specific fines, an official office for enforcement, and clearer rules for how the different artifacts should be treated.
I think the take-home message and the thing that the new regulations really do is it puts more power into the hands of the tribal community.
He says whenever they're curating a new exhibit at the Arizona State Museum, they get a consultant right away.
We have a long history at the Arizona State Museum of either consulting with or partnering directly with tribal communities.
The consultants conduct research if the pieces are human remains, sacred or funerary objects.
We had to bring in a lot of tribal consultants to address any concerns they may have about not only what we're putting on display, but the story that we're telling as well, because it's not our story to tell.
I reached out to the Tohono O'odham Nation and the Pasquayaqui tribe, and we'll update the story when they are able. Reporting at the Arizona State Museum, Tina Giuliano, KGUN 9.